Hi everybody, today we're going to be opening up the Hello Kitty Miniverse Make It Mini Food. So here are the 12 different items that you can get, and we're going to go ahead and open up our first capsule. So the first item we got are the donuts. And we're gonna go ahead and first look at the cute little donuts that come in this little container. It says Hello Kitty, and it comes with 4 different donuts. Even though the picture does display 3, you can make an extra one. And then we have 2 cute cream or jelly filled donuts, and then we have the 2 normal donuts, 1 chocolate, and then I'm assuming vanilla or just cake batter. And then our next item is going to be this cute tiny little bottle of sprinkles. It's absolutely adorable, and they are individual. And for our next item, we got these cute little candy bows that are going to be the decorations for the top of the donuts as well as the sprinkles. Next we have the little donut display. This is absolutely so cute. It has a little Hello Kitty bow on top, and it does come apart. Next we have our utensils. I think for this one all we get is our little tweezers. Here I am just rearranging the donuts, making sure that they fit nicely in the place that I want them to be. And then now we're gonna add the glaze to our donuts. And then now I'm just spreading the glaze a little bit around, making them look a little bit more uniform, cleaning up the donut holes so that you can actually tell what they are. And then here are our glazed donuts. Now it's time for toppings. So I had a little bit of a struggle putting the sprinkles on. I wanted to make sure that sprinkles didn't go all over my carpet, so I slowly placed them. And then now I'm placing the bows on the donuts. It took a little bit of finagling. They were very tiny, and then the glaze was very sticky. So here I am putting on the next bow. And now we cook our donuts. And then after 5 to 10 minutes, you have your done glazed Hello Kitty donuts. Very, very cute. I really like the way these came out. And here they are inside the display case. So let's go ahead and move on to our next capsule. The first thing that we got is our cute little strawberry milk for our cereal. And then next for our utensils, we got our tweezers, but we also get a cute little Hello Kitty spoon for our cereal. Next, we got our fruit. I believe there's raspberries, and they come in this cute little packaging. Now we have our Hello Kitty bowl. And last, we have the Hello Kitty cereal. Very cute, very tiny box. I absolutely love it. She's in the back in the cereal bowl. Now I'm gonna open up the milk, and I know this is not how you make cereal, but for this purpose, we're going to pour our milk first. Popped all the bubbles that were coming out to make it look more like milk. Next, we're gonna open our cereal box. The cereal is so cute. It's yellow, pink, red, little Hello Kitty heads. There's some bows in there too. And I did use all of the cereal that came with it. And here I am just pushing down the cereal, making a little bit more room for our fruit. And I did only put a couple. I maybe used half the pack. I also squished those down. And then now I'm kind of making like a little spoon bite. And then now we cook. This one was pretty easy. It firmed up pretty fast. Didn't have to take that long. And here is our finished product of our Hello Kitty cereal. And for our final capsule, we're going to be opening up the Hello Kitty ramen. First, we have our little cup of ramen noodles. For our next item, we have the chili flakes that is going to go on top of our ramen. And here is our kettle full of hot boiling water. Some veggies. There's cute little Hello Kitties in there. And our ramen seasoning packet. We also got a cute little pair of chopsticks, and there's Hello Kitty bows on the end of them. So it took me a little bit to open the container without fully ripping or damaging the top of it. And here are a close-up of the noodles. They're absolutely so freaking cute. And then now we're gonna pour the water into our ramen. Out of all the capsules I did, this one was the hardest to pour out. And then I did mess up on the ramen one. I put the chili flakes before the ramen packet. And in hindsight, watching that, I mean, that's not how you make ramen. Here I am mixing in the chili powder. And then I added a little bit more water because I wanted it to be a little bit taller. And now we're gonna mix in our seasoning packet. This was just a packet full of glitter. Did end up putting a little bit too much, which is fine. You couldn't really tell at the end. Here I am mixing up the seasoning into our ramen. Next, I'm going to add the veggies to the top. If you guys do get this capsule, make sure that you're very careful with the vegetables because mine ended up falling in to the mixture when I kind of wanted them to just sit on top, but I did end up fishing a Hello Kitty head out of there, so we're fine. And now we're going to heat up our ramen. And 5 to 10 minutes later, here is the end result. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe so you can make sure to find more videos like this. Go ahead and comment down below which one was your favorite and which item you would want. Did make the rice cakes off camera. That was one of the first capsules I got, so I didn't record it. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much. Bye!